Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Everyday Adventures of Papa and Paws. The Twins Take Over. Words and Pictures by Papa Paws. Ouch! That hurts! Hello? Hello? Tug. Bite. Who are you? I'm Momo. I'm Zozo. We are twins. Hello? Molly Paws, why don't you go play with your new sisters? Okay. My toys! Squeaky! Papa's sock! Chewy! Roll, roll, roll! My bed! Zzz, zzz. I hope you girls are having fun. Yes, Mama. It's not fair. I'd be in trouble for making a mess. Papa, being a big sister is hard. Being a big sister can be fun. But they are playing with all my stuff. Why don't you teach them how to share? I don't wanna. We know it's a big change, Molly. I don't know what to do. You could share some of your favorite things. Okay. Mama and Papa said I have to show you some of my favorite things. This whole yard is ours, and we can run and play out here. So cool! Neato! We chew on our toys instead of Mama and Papa's stuff. This is how we nap. Zzz, zzz. This is my favorite treat. It's so yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. We love to see you sharing. We love you, Molly Paws. You do? Of course we do. You are our big sister. Oh gosh, well, I love you too, Momo and Zozo. I'm so glad that I'm a big sister. Thanks for reading. Papa publishes our books independently, and he really appreciates your support. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book The Twins Take Over, written by Papa Paws. If you enjoyed the book, click that thumbs up button to show Papa Paws how great his story was. I really enjoyed it because it showed the responsibilities and difficulties an older sister has when she has new younger siblings to look over. This book isn't even the first in the series. There are 2 other books out right now. If you want to learn more about those children's books by Papa Paws, you can visit his website, papaandpaws.com, and check out his Instagram at papaandpaws. I highly recommend checking out his social media and his website and seeing his cute doggies. If you have a book you'd like to be read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would really help this channel if you share this with your friends and family, and subscribe to stay updated with future read-alouds coming soon. Unfortunately, this is it for today. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!